Talk about presentation. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare spaghetti, and we're going to start right now. But before we do, kindly hit the post notification bell and make sure you're subscribed to this channel. So first off, you're going to start off by making tomato puree, and to make tomato puree you just need tomatoes and some water. Then quickly blend that, toss that into the blender and blend it. So our tomato puree is ready, and next up I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients that we're going to be using in today's video. And we're going to start off with spaghetti from the Wat. This is a 400-gram pack. And then we have the tomato puree that we just made. We have onions, we have green pepper, dhania, and finally we do have garlic, and this is crushed garlic, or you can call it grounded, whatever whatever you prefer. So into a sufuria you can add water. For spaghetti you don't need to have measurements. Then follow it up by salt, and then you can add either vegetable oil or olive oil or any oil that you feel like you need. So I added olive oil, and this is 4 teaspoons of olive oil. The next step, when the water is boiling, or when the water has come to the boiling point, anyway, you're going to add your spaghetti. And basically that's it. I toss my spaghetti in like that, like straight from the packet, and then they will as you can see, they will just get into the water. Wow, I like my English. Anyway, after that you can stir it a little bit and then let it boil until it cooks. So when it cooks, the spaghetti will have doubled in size and it will have changed the color. So after that I strained my spaghetti, as you can see they're in the strainer, and then into a sufuria you're going to add vegetable oil, follow it up by, and these are my onions. Next up, stir this and add a little bit of salt. Afterwards you can go in and add your garlic, and this was 1 teaspoon of garlic. Give this a little bit of stir again, and when it's cooked or halfway cooked you can add in your tomato puree. And then let the tomato puree boil, and the color will automatically change. It will move from the pinkish what is it called, color to more of orangish color. Meanwhile, add in your green pepper and then give this a stir and let it boil. And this is the color that I was talking about. Next up, you can toss in your spaghettis and stir. Stir it well. Then next ingredient is of course tomato paste, and I'm using this tomato paste from I don't know where, but I'll give you the name of the tomato paste down in the description box. And I'm gonna add that and give it a little bit of mix and let it cook. So once you're done, your spaghetti should look like this. Can you look at that color? So enticing. So next up, add in your corianders or dhanias and then give it a little bit of stir and then take it out of the meko. Dhania should not cook more than seconds. Seconds are enough for dhanias to cook. So mix that up well. If you'd like to learn how to make chapatis or any other meal, I do have a playlist up on the left side, and I do have breakfast ideas playlist just below the playlist with the chapatis recipe. Be sure to click on that, and that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you on the next one. Till next time, bye.